With Hrithik, there was that initially that stammer that he had. As a parent, did that frighten you?
I used to feel bad. He wants to say so many things. He's so well educated, very intelligent. But he used to hold himself back because of his stuttering. Once I remember that he was in Dubai and he wanted to just say, "Thank you, Dubai." And he used to get stuck on the word D. So he used to say, "Thank you, thank you." So he was locked himself into a bathroom to learn that two sentences by heart, to say, "Thank you, Dubai." So I used to feel bad, that he's such a progressive man, but something is holding him back. But he worked so hard on it.